Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Samsung Galaxy S23, the latest flagship from Samsung. If you're looking for a phone that blends cutting-edge tech with sleek design, this one is definitely worth your attention. Let's break down what this device has to offer. The exterior of the Galaxy S23 continues Samsung's trend of premium craftsmanship. The body is made of high-quality glass and aluminum, giving it a refined, sleek look that's also durable. It has a larger screen than its predecessor, making it perfect for those who enjoy watching content or gaming on their devices. The 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a refresh rate that goes all the way up to 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and responsiveness. The display is also protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3, ensuring it can withstand those accidental drops. Under the hood, the S23 comes packed with the latest technology, including the new Exynos or Snapdragon chipset, depending on your region. With an improved octa-core processor and faster GPU, this phone offers top-notch performance for multitasking, gaming, and anything else you can throw at it. You'll also notice the enhanced 5G connectivity, which ensures faster download speeds and a more stable connection, even in busy areas. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S23 is its camera system. The rear features a triple camera setup, with a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens. These upgrades allow for incredible detail, clarity, and color accuracy, whether you're capturing landscapes or portraits. The night mode is even better this year, making low-light shots look bright and clear without sacrificing quality. For selfie lovers, the 12MP front camera does an excellent job in all lighting conditions. Battery life has been improved as well, with a 5000 mAh battery that offers all-day usage, even with heavy use. Plus, with 45W fast charging, you can quickly top up the battery when you're in a rush, and wireless charging is also supported. Samsung's One UI interface is smooth and intuitive, with plenty of customization options. The S23 runs Android 14, bringing all the latest software features, including privacy enhancements and a more personalized experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Samsung Galaxy S23 is an impressive device with powerful performance, a stunning display, and one of the best camera systems available in any smartphone today. Whether you're into gaming, content creation, or simply want a phone that does it all, the S23 delivers in spades. It's truly a device that stands out in a crowded market and is definitely worth considering for anyone looking for a premium phone.